Hello friends, welcome to this channel. This is Engineer Ghulam Mustafa, Electrical Engineer, and today I am going to discuss about some QCD exam preparation study materials. So we have some questions, so we will discuss one by one. So the first point is the present practicable limit of radio frequency are 10 kHz to 100,000 MHz. Second point is in a building emergency communication system where AC power source is monitored for integrity should be tested annually system, and where AC power source is not monitored for integrity should be tested quarterly. Third point is lighting used to charge photoluminescent materials shall not be controlled by motion sensor. Fourth point is the two-way communication system shall include both audible and visible signals. Fifth point is a device that detects visible or invisible particles of combustion, that is called a smoke detector. Sixth point is a radiant energy sensing fire detector that detects the radiant energy emitted by a flame, that is called flame detector. Seventh point is a fuel tank located inside a structure that provides fuel to the engine, that is called bay fuel tank. It is a separate main fuel tank for supplying fuel to the engine, or a day tank, that is called main fuel tank. Ninth is during conditions of a staircase the minimum illumination for new stairs shall not at least 108 lux measured at the walking distance. It should be 108 lux. 10th point is the minimum illumination for doors and other walking surfaces other than new stairs during conditions of a stair use shall be to value of the at least how much 10.8 lux minimum requirement. 11th point is where maintenance of illumination depends on changing room from one energy source to another, a delay of not more than 10 seconds should be minimum 10 seconds. Suppose the main supply is there, if it cut off, then generator should start within 10 seconds. 12th is the maximum to minimum illumination shall not exceed a ratio of 40 to 1. 13. Device with alphanumeric display, that is called visible enunciation. 14 point is visual inspection of heat detector is called semi-annually. Visual inspection of heat detector should be maintained semi-annually. 15 number is a visual representation of output data other than printed copy, that is called display. 16 the ratio point is 16. Point 16 the ratio signal from the base station transmitter to the portable public safety subscriber receiver, that is called downlink. 17 number is the fire alarm system operation is same as it is designed in which condition, that is called normal. Manual fire alarm boxes shall be located within 1.5 meter of each exit doorway on each floor. Second point is a notification appliance that alerts by the sense of touch or vibration, that is called tactile notification appliances. Third point is a control function that attempts to return a system or device to its normal non-alarm state, that is called reset. Fourth point is battery calculation shall include a minimum of 20% safety margin above the calculated ampere hour capacity required. Fifth number is required signals shall not be lost, interrupted or delayed by more than 10 seconds as a result of primary power failure. Sixth point is testing of engine driven generator, that should be done monthly. 7th number is high frequency energy that can be modulated by voice or signaling impulses, that is called carrier. Point number 8, a system. Point number 8, a system intended to page one or more person by such means as voice over loudspeaker, coded audible signals or visible signals, or lamp in an annunciator. Answer is paging system. 9 number point is a system components that provides interface between signaling line circuits, initiating device circuits or control units and the transmission channel, that is called transmitter. 10 number point is any alarm that occurs that is not the result of a potentially hazardous condition, that is called unwanted alarm. 11 number is the secondary power supply shall have sufficient capacity to operate the system under quiescent load, system operating in a non-alarm condition for minimum of 24 hours. 12th point is the installation of all pathway wiring, cable and equipment shall be in accordance with NFPA 70. 13. What is the color code for an ordinary temperature classification heating sensing sensor? Uncolored. 14 point. What is the color code for initiating device at normal operation? That is called uncolored. A stored energy system has the capability to start the prime mover without using energy from another source, that is called black start. 16 point is the EPS shall be installed in accordance with NFP 70. 17 number. What are the maximum capacities shall be permitted for integral tank? Answer is maximum of 2498 liter, means 660 gallon diesel fuel. Second is maximum of 95 liter, that is 25 gallon gasoline fuel. 80 number point is transfer switch shall be operated monthly. 19. 9 number point is what devices are normally indicated on the MIMI panel with LED, which graphically indicates the building, the floor and the indication location of the fire? Answer is manual cone point, flow switch, detectors, strobe, control panel and fire telephone device, bell, horn and exit lights sounder. Exit sign, sounder no need to show, bell, horn also no need to show, control panel and fire telephone device also no need to show. The answer is manual call point, flow switch, detectors, strobes. Again we have some points. Next point is the principal attended or non-attended location where the status of detection, alarm, communication and control system is displayed and from which the system can be manually controlled. That is from fire command center. Battery calculation for protected premise for fire alarm system requires how much reserved capacity for safety margin? 20%. Secondary power supply batteries are required to be marked with. The answer is the date manufactured using the month year format. Our next point is a wiring classification of circuit not capable of transmitting an alarm signal beyond a signal open or during a short circuit during a short between conductors. The answer is class C. Equipment connected to a fire alarm circuit must be listed for use with control unit. Emergency illumination shall be provided for a minimum of 1.5 hours in the event of failure of normal lighting. Emergency generators providing power to emergency lighting system shall be installed, tested and maintained in accordance with NFPA 110. Third point is the operable part of manually actuated fire alarm initiating device shall not be less than not be less than 42 inch, means 1.07 meter by 1.22 meter, not more than the operable part of manual actuator, that is 1.2, we follow 1.2 meter only. Trouble signals and their restoration to normal shall be indicated within 200 seconds. Restoration of latching supervisory signals shall be indicated within 90 seconds. The marking stripe shall have a minimum width of 1 inch, means 25 mm. The emergency exit symbol applied on the door shall be minimum of 4 inch, means 100 mm. The word exit shall be letters of a width not less than 51 mm, and the minimum spacing between letters shall not be less than 9.5 mm. Externally illuminated sign shall be illuminated by not less than 5 foot candles, means 54 lux should be there. Devices that detect a phenomenon other than heat, smoke, flame or gases produces by a fire, that is called other fire detector. 11 number point is a device that responds. 11 number point is a device that responds when the temperature rises at a rate exceeding a predetermined value, that is called rate of rise detector. 12 number point is the branch circuits and connections shall be protected against physical damage, that is called mechanical protection. 13 number point is the number of supervisory signals initiating devices permitted to be connected to a single initiating devices circuit shall not exceed 20. 14 number point is a signal transmitting station shall be provided at intervals not exceeding intermediate stations 10. 15 number point is a testing of all emergency lighting and power system during maximum anticipated load conditions shall be provided in which condition, that is called testing under load. A device designed to close, open or both one or more electrical circuit, that is called switching device. Next point is a power supply used to provide alternating current power to load for some period of time in the event of a power failure, that is called UPS. 18 number point is a compartment or chamber to which one or more air ducts are connected and that form part of the air distribution system, that is called plenum. 19 number point is an enclosed channel of metallic or non-metallic materials designed expressly for holding wires, cables or bus bars with additional functions as permitted, that is called raceway. 20 number question is the maximum current in amperes that a conductor can carry continuously under the condition of use without exceeding its temperature rating, that is called ampacity. 21 number point is the circuit conductors between the final overcurrent device protecting the circuit and outlet, that is called branch circuit. 22 number point is a conducting object through which a direct connection to earth is established, that is called grounding electrode. 22 number point is a conducting object through which a direct connection to earth is established, that is called grounding electrode. 23 number point is the operation part of manual actuated alarm initiating device shall not be less than 42 inch, means 1.07 mm, and from finished floor level. So generally we provide 1.25. 24 number point is the off normal signal shall be initiated when the required pressure increases or decreases by 10 psi, 70 kilopascal. 25 number question is for the purpose of alarm annunciation, each floor of the building shall be considered as a separate zone. Correct. 26 number point is what is the required 26 number point is what is the required secondary power capacity battery requirement if the total system standby current draws 0.1 77 amperes operating 24 hours and with total system alarm current of 3.32 amperes that can be operated the system for at least 5 minutes with a safety factor of 20%. The answer is 6 ampere per hour. So you can calculate the as per the electrical formula. You will find this value. If anybody know how to calculate, please put in the comment. A wiring classification of circuit capable of transmitting an alarm signal during a single open or non simultaneous ground fault on a conductor. That answer is class X. A fire alarm system required for life safety shall be installed, tested and maintained in accordance with applicable requirements of NFPS 70, National Electrical Code, National Electrical Code of 72, National Fire Alarm Code. Second point is a device used to store and generate a sinusoidal wave, that is called generator. All fuel tank and system shall be installed and maintained in accordance with NFPA 30. 4 number point is a type of energy conversion equipment ECE intended to